Hello everyone. So today I am pretty much excited that using ChatGPT, how can I develop a website because I haven't experienced. Let's assume that I haven't experienced to develop any website. I have not a developer, so I don't have any skills to develop a website. So let's take a help from ChatGPT how I can develop a website. So this is a practical demo. So for example, let's start with a demo. I want to create a table. Let's say I am pasting this. I want to create a table person. Let's run it to the chat gpt, so it's created. Okay, cool. So what I provided a prompt is very important. So I this is my prompt. I want to create a table in person. So the good thing about chat gpt, the current instance which is running, so it's keep track and track what instruction he had already followed and what instruction is going to be followed. So it's create a interlink connection between the logics and commands which we provided using prompt. So next is I need to develop a web page using person table which can add or insert new record. So in web page we can use python. I need to develop web page using python. I'm sorry for that, but python and use streamlit. Streamlit is a relevant new library, so we can use, like, we have a streamlit documentation. If I go and read this documentation, it will take days, not hours. In fact days, maybe a couple of days, maybe, depending on, as my speed is bit slow, so I can take a 1 month maybe to reading this, understanding this. So first thing you need to understand that streamlit is open source app platform for machine learning, and it releases October 2019. So it releases 2019. So it, as we know that chat gpt is taking its knowledge base from internet before October 2021. So this is October 2019. So yes, hopefully this will work in ChatGPT because it's 2 year old. So ChatGPT already has a knowledge what is streamlit. So which can insert a new record. Okay, let's run this. I think my prompt is not good, but let's say what he is doing. So he is going to create something for us. Yeah, so it's created. And let's so it's create MySQL actually. So we can told him that rather than using MySQL, can you use SQLite? So please use SQLite SQLite instead of MySQL. So let's take, actually it's learning with our. So it's generated a code, updated code with using SQLite. So let's run this thing one by one, because it's a AI model, so it's also learning, and we also try to develop something for based on this. So let's create a new code, like my web dot py. Py is extension of Python code. So what we need, we just need to create it and save it, and let's run this code here in terminal. Okay, let's break this before code. Let me, okay, it's already broken down. Let me stop this 1 minute. So this code is actually already running, so I didn't stop it. So actually I stop this code and run a new terminal. So the in ChatGPT it will also show something like how we can run this code. Streamline. Okay, so streamline, we need to run this code as well. Streamline run, and what is our program name? Program name is myweb.py. Let's try this. So you know, so in a very simple way, it's create a add new person record, and let's say we want to add a new record, a record 1 or person 1, login 1, person 1. So it's a password a b c d, whatever the password, first name, let's say Ali, then it's populating, and let's add this record. So record is added. So actually we use SQLite, so we don't need to worry about that. That's why because it puts our data in our person file, and it's also encrypted, so we can't see anything, but it's a person database. It's created. So this is very actually I was very surprised, that's why I share you. Now you can develop multiple pages based on your requirement, or you can say that you can extend this code, chat gpt code, that I need a edit code for now, so you can create a another program. So let's say I will say please create another program which will display the list of persons. Okay, let's say. So using again SQLite 3, it's already understand it already person.db, because chat is continuous is going, so it's already keep tracking all the things. So it's here you go. So let me copy this, or I would say let me break this. Okay, it's breakdown. So let me create one more, like for example my web list.py. This is another program or code of piece. So let's run this. Okay, if you have a facing problem anything, so you can open a new terminal, then stream line. The command for running is actually I usually forget, because I said that it's a new for me and I am taking stream benefit from ChatGPT. Streamlit run, and what is the program name? My web list dot my web list dot py. Streamlit, STR spelling is wrong, I am sorry for that. So let's run it. So this is a record we have entered. For example, we can use multiple instance, and this is example demo how we can create a web page without knowing anything, without knowing the. So chat gpt actually real helps, is this killer of the software development or programming. So let's see in the future, maybe after 2 or 3 years, or its advanced technology is going to be mature, so we don't need to be a developer no more. So it's a threat for the developers actually. Is this end of the developer life? I am not sure, but it's look like that AI taking care of the things. Okay, so that's it from this video, cracks. Thank you very much for watching this video.